Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Redcon1 Double Tap in the strawberry mango flavor. So this is a fat burner made by Redcon1, and as you probably know, Redcon1 makes some really good tasting products, so I'm excited to go try this one out here. And the objective, body fat literally melts off while dramatically improving energy in a caloric deficit. Mental clarity is profoundly increased, so some pretty big claims there. Suggested use, assess your tolerance for taking a half packet. Once tolerance is good, take a full packet. Do not exceed 1 pack per day. And in each one of these packs, there is, I'll fold up this label here, for one serving, 5.8 grams, there is 305 milligrams of choline bit-tartrate, 1 gram of cetyl L-carnitine, 500 milligrams of green tea extract, 200 milligrams of dandelion root extract, 150 milligrams of caffeine anhydrous, and then 150 milligrams of dicaffeine malate, which gives you 111 milligrams of caffeine per serving. So double that up, that's 261 grams of caffeine. And there's also 150 milligrams of juniper extract and 50 milligrams of theobromine. So strawberry mango fat burner, pretty cool. I'm gonna get right into this here and mix up a scoop of this. I like this fat burner a lot for, one, its taste, but its ingredients are cool as it has dicaffeine malate, which is a different form of caffeine that we don't normally see in pre-workouts, especially not the ones here in Canada. And we're starting now to see more dicaffeine malate being popping up in different pre-workouts and fat burners. So I'll mix this up in my Supplement King Canada shaker, and we'll get it into me and give my review. Alright. Oh yeah, that's strong. A little sour. So it tastes like it's kind of a mixture of strawberry and mango at the same time. It's not too strong in the strawberry flavor, and it's not that strong in mango either. It's kind of a weird combination of both, and it tastes a little bit different than, oh, my camera's tripping out. It tastes a little bit different than what I'm used to in a fat burner, especially different from any other mango flavored fat burners that I've had, and any other strawberry ones that I've had too. So it's a little bit different, but it does taste very good. It's different, that's how I describe it. Yeah, hard to describe exactly what the taste of that is. It's sweet, but not too sweet, and yeah, it tastes somewhat like a strawberry, but somewhat like mango, kind of mixture of both. I don't know what it exactly tastes like. There's something it reminds me of, but I'm not too sure what that is. But it is a pretty good flavor, and I would give that an 8 out of 10. It's a good fat burner. It got a lot of different ingredients in it. It's strongly flavored, and I like fat burners that have a nice strong taste because nobody likes to, have stuff that doesn't taste good, but this is a fat burner. It's supposed to replace things that are sweet in your diet, so having this instead of candy is obviously going to help you with a weight loss goal, so that's why I like it so much. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.